Me sit down, me a focus, me a listen with my whole heart, and me still not sure if she a cuss me or if she a bless me. Alright, you always a ask to hear me talk Patois more, so me there, but me might sound slow because me have to concentrate. Me work upon the accent. Me not perfect, but stay with me. Me not joke around. Me tell you the truth. When me just start talk to me mother-in-law, me have to use me husband like a Google Translate. Me hear her a chat and me did it like, yeah, me understand. But me really never know what she a say. But no, me understand everything she a say. Everything. But me granny-in-law, Lord Jesus help me. Me not shame fi tell you, me a struggle. Me sit down, me a focus, me a listen with my whole heart, and me still not sure if she a cuss me or if she a bless me. Me husband always a laugh after me, but I swear sometimes me have to look pon him like, baby, what she just say? Nah, give up. By next year, me a go understand the whole family, especially granny-in-law. Anyways, me chat enough. If you want to hear me chat Patois more, you better make sure you comment and tell me, otherwise I'm gone. Little more, me people.
Everybody keeps trying to tell me that there's some sort of historical correlation between the Jamaican accent and the Irish accent. I need to tell you something. 1, stop gaslighting me. 2, I've never been so disappointed in myself because, oh my God, Ireland, you might not know this. Me chat patois real good. Like real nice for a white picnic chat. For a young white, my Jamaican accent really is. I mean, not to toot my own horn or blow my own bagpipe, but I do's a good Jamaican. Why is my Irish accent suck? Well, it doesn't suck, but like, I need it to be perfect without trying. So, I've began the show Dairy Girls. It's fucking hilarious. I love that show. And also just listening to some Irish music. Hoping to perfect my accent at least by like April 1st. April 1st. Your 2B ex-boyfriend is scared of any kid over 6 in a tracksuit. With your whack-ass boyfriend, bro. Break up with him. That's a little more than slightly embarrassing. Ask my mom, the prettiest bad nose. You don't like taking pictures, so I'm gonna take plenty. Then we walk from the pub, I look you in your eyes and I take off your panty. That's not what he says.
Good afternoon from beautiful rural Portland, Jamaica. May want to introduce myself today because, you know, nothing wrong. Somebody comment on me post that me is a sex tourist, and me just really want to address that. Me understand the stereotype, me see where it comes from, because me see so many women and men, but mostly me see women to come to Jamaica just for use the young boy them, and me not like them something there. Me never like that. So me really learn about Jamaica through the music of Patois, Bob Marley, the Wailers back in the day. In fact, me was at the last concert Bob Marley ever gave in Toronto, Maple Leaf Gardens, before him dead. And really, me could say that reggae music really brought Jamaica to the world for so many of us. Me grew up in Canada, Northern Canada. Me was a teacher, and me come to Jamaica in my 20s and taught school here in Port Antonio, Portland, at Titchfield High School. Me teach art and English. And we still have contact with some of my former students and even former students who became teachers. Wonderful experience that changed my life. So me always say when me retire, sorry, my dog's a bark now. We have 4 dogs them, me love dog. That's another video. Anyway, me always loved Jamaica for so many years. From what, 1983, me start coming to Jamaica, over 40 years now. Me live at Jamaica, taught school, and retire, became a resident of Jamaica 5 years ago. So 2018, me actually sell everything in Canada and move to Jamaica for me retirement. And me just love the life. Me have a Jamaican husband down here. We get along great. Him not really want to live in Canada. We just love our life here. And me, now that me is in my late 60s, me want to make a difference. Me love the culture. Me want to make people all over the world know how beautiful Jamaica is, the culture, the people. And me want to leave a legacy, you know, to really make people understand Patois is a beautiful language, nothing to be ashamed of. To have dark skin is beautiful, nothing to be ashamed of. You know, me have already raised 3 mixed race children. Them father, me 2 sons, them have a father who's Jamaican, and my daughter's father is from Ghana. So through raising me children, me picked me a Canada, there's a whole heap of racism there. And my art breaks over that. And in Jamaica, there's classism and colorism. So there is a kind of racism here too. And we really, really see it and we feel it for the people them. And we want to express them something there. And we want the people who come visit to know how to behave and how to respect the Jamaican people them. And not just use the black bodies for your sexual enjoyment or whatever. That is very disgusting. And me not support them something there at all. Me just want people to do, you know, like as the Rastafari say, like love and respect. There's nothing wrong with getting to know one another and so on, but just have some respect, you know. Me not a grandmother yet, but me could easily be a grandmother to a lot of these boys who try to talk to me in the street. And me just tell them, say, look now, you not talk to your granny like that, so not talk to me. Call me auntie. If you call me auntie or mama, me feel nice, you know. It's like a little respect. Me not really want any of that other kind of attention at all. No, sir. So, me really start this TikTok to try to preserve one property called Folly Estate. Is a 8-acre property right on the sea in Port Antonio, and it connected to the Folly ruins. Right in the backyard is Folly ruins. So me will give you some more video about that next time. But right now, me I tell you say that me start the TikTok to try to get out the information to people, to Jamaican people, that they must sell off your country, you know, they must sell off all the beach them, the river them, the nice properties. And Folly Estate Cottage, it's a historic building that still exists, it's still standing, and that property should become a museum for the people of Jamaica and the world and Portland. It shouldn't sell off or give to them politicians' friends and so on and so forth. So that my purpose to start the TikTok, and me say at 2024 me going to learn Patois proper. So me apologize if me not get the words right, but me I try as respect, man, total respect for Jamaican language, Jamaican people, Jamaican culture. Blessed love, one love.
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask if I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe... Oh. Sorry. Sorry, getting a call here. One sec.
Okay.
A dirty girl. Me not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there work. Y'all go suck your mother pussy clot. And mind me don't give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when me come home. Sure. Sorry about that. My wife.
No.
No, I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal, you know?
Seriously, I only teach him them
Sorry about
languages.
Anywho, you were saying?
I don't know. I don't remember.
A lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. I come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. With a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love a curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup and